your complete holiday cleaning blueprint for a sparkling home. Listen, your guests are coming. Your family will be walking through that door. And right now, your home probably needs some serious attention. But here's the thing. You don't have to panic. You don't have to work yourself to exhaustion. There's a smarter way to get your house guest ready before the holidays arrive. I'm Marcus, and on Seniors Cleaning Hacks, we show you the tricks that make life easier. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that right now. And if this video helps you, I'd love it if you'd hit that like button and leave a comment telling me which room needs the most work in your home. Let's dive in. 1. Why planning your cleaning matters. Before we talk about what to clean, let's talk about why you need a plan in the first place. Most people wait until a few days before Christmas arrives, and that's when stress takes over. Your knees hurt, your back is sore, you're tired, frustrated, and your house still isn't ready. But when you break everything down into smaller tasks, spread across 3 weeks, something amazing happens. Each day feels manageable. You're not overwhelming your body. You're not sacrificing your holiday spirit to exhaustion. Instead, you're spreading the work out nice and easy, which means you stay energized and actually enjoy the process. Think about it this way. If you tackle 10 small things today and 10 small things tomorrow, 3 weeks flies by and suddenly your house is completely ready. This approach works whether you're doing the cleaning yourself or managing someone you hired to help. And if you have guests staying with you, this plan becomes even more valuable because it helps you think through what needs extra attention. 2. The 3-week cleaning timeline explained. Here's the beautiful part about having a plan. You know exactly what's coming. You can wake up each morning and think, today I'm focusing on the bedrooms, or today it's the kitchen's turn. There's no guesswork, there's no stress about what you forgot. This system works because of structure. Week 1 tackles the big jobs. Week 2 handles the middle-level tasks. Week 3 is just touching up and making everything shine. It's like a recipe. Follow it, and you get the results you want. So if you're watching this video and thinking you want to start even earlier, go for it. Maybe you want your house ready by December 15th instead of the 25th. That's perfectly fine. Just start the schedule 3 weeks before your target date. Simple. If you're finding this helpful, please share this video with someone who needs it. And subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks so you don't miss our next cleaning tips.
3. Week 1, the deep cleaning phase. 3.1. Starting with your living room. Right now, we're 3 weeks out from Christmas. This is when you do the heavy lifting. Your living room is where guests will spend time, so it needs real attention. First, look at your rugs, your sofas, and your curtains. Do you see any stains? Now's the time to treat them. Don't wait. Get a stain remover and handle it today. Next, your soft furnishings need love. Those sofas and upholstered chairs collect dust and dirt. Vacuum them thoroughly. Don't just go over them once. Get into the crevices. Get between the cushions. Pull off those cushion covers. They go in the wash with warm water and a gentle cycle. While they're washing, you can move to your baseboards and moldings. Wipe them down completely. People notice baseboards more than you think, especially when they're walking through your home. If you have a fireplace, clean it out now. Remove the ashes. Wipe down the inside surfaces. A clean fireplace makes the whole room feel more inviting. 3.2. Moving to the dining room. Your dining room needs to be ready because that's where everyone eats during the holidays. Start with your table linens. Wash everything you plan to use over the holiday season. Iron them if you like the crisp look. Clean linens set the tone for the whole room. Now check your holiday dishes and glasses. Pull them out. Look at each piece. Make sure nothing is broken. Wash everything thoroughly and polish the glasses until they sparkle. Guests notice details like this. Think about your seating. Do you have enough chairs for everyone? If not, now's the time to figure out where you'll get extra ones. You don't want to scramble last minute. Finish by wiping those baseboards and moldings again. Consistency matters. 3.3. The bathrooms need attention too. Bathrooms are the second most important room after the kitchen. First, check all your faucets and handles. Are any broken? Any dripping? Get them fixed now. If you have a shower curtain, give it a proper deep clean. Many shower curtains can go in the washing machine. Check the label. If it can be washed, do it. If it can't, scrub it with a brush and mild soap. Either way, make it look new. Stock extra toiletries. Guests appreciate having options. A little basket with extra toothbrushes, tissues, and soap makes people feel welcome.
3.4. Preparing your bedrooms. If you're having guests stay with you, now is when you wash the bed linens. Fresh, clean sheets are non-negotiable. Strip the beds completely. Wash the sheets, pillowcases, and any mattress covers. Wipe down the baseboards here too. Then clean your curtains or blinds. Open those windows and let natural light in. A bright bedroom feels clean even before it is. 3.5. The kitchen requires the most time. Your kitchen needs serious work in week 1. Start with your fridge. Pull everything out. Throw away anything expired. Wipe down every shelf. Clean the walls inside. Check the door seals. Same thing for your freezer. Your garbage cans and recycle bins need cleaning too. People don't think about this, but a clean trash area makes a huge difference in how fresh your kitchen smells. Look at your oven hood and backsplash. Grease builds up over months. Scrub it off with a degreaser. Then tackle your oven. Yes, it's a big job, but a clean oven makes the whole kitchen feel more hygienic. Open every cabinet. Wipe down all the shelves. Organize what's inside. Your guests might open cabinets looking for something. Make sure what they find is clean and organized. 3.6. Outside and entry areas. Your patio floor needs a pressure wash. Guests walk out there. Make it look fresh. If you have windows inside and out, wash them. This makes a huge difference in how bright and clean your home feels. Wash your doormat. It gets dirty easily. Clean your front door inside and out. This is the first thing people see. Make it count. Subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks right now if you haven't already. We post cleaning tips that actually work for people over 50. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload.
4. Week 2, the polishing phase. 4.1. Tackling the living room again. We're down to 2 weeks now. Your big jobs are done. Now we're making everything shine. Dust your entire living room from top to bottom. Dust the ceiling corners first. Work your way down. Dust the tops of picture frames, lampshades, and furniture edges. Use a damp cloth so the dust sticks to it instead of flying around. Clean and polish your coffee table, end tables, and bookshelves. Use furniture polish if you like to shine. These pieces get noticed because people set things on them and look at them up close. Wash your throw blankets. They drape over your sofas and look welcoming. Fresh blankets add a cozy feeling. 4.2. The dining room gets detailed work. Dust this room completely too, top to bottom. Don't rush. Take your time and do it right. Polish your dining room furniture. If it's wood, use appropriate furniture polish. Make sure everything gleams. Iron your table linens that you washed in week 1. Crest them so they look crisp and ready. Wash your serving dishes again just to be safe. You want everything spotless.
4.3. Bathrooms get specific attention. Clean the floors thoroughly. Scrub them. Get on your hands and knees if you need to. Bathroom floors get more use than you think. If your shower door has hard water stains or soap buildup, descale it now. Use a descaling product designed for your shower type. Check if you have extra toiletries to put out. Guests really notice when you think about these details. 4.4. Bedrooms, Phase 2. Dust everything in your guest rooms. Furniture, shelves, windowsills, everywhere. Polish any furniture pieces. Here's an important tip. If guests are staying with you, remove your personal items from the guest room. Keep it looking fresh and impersonal. People feel more comfortable in a space that feels like it's prepared just for them, not like an extension of your own bedroom.
4.5. Kitchen deep work. Dust the shelves and the top of your fridge. Clean your dishwasher. Yes, your dishwasher needs cleaning. Run it empty with a dishwasher cleaner inside. Clean your microwave inside and out. Clean your stove thoroughly. Your other appliances need attention too. Wipe them all down. Make them shine. Sweep and mop your kitchen floors. Your kitchen should look like a showroom at this point. 4.6. Outdoor areas get detailed cleaning. Give your outdoor furniture a thorough cleaning. If it's wood, sand it if needed and apply treatment. If it's metal, clean it and check for rust. If it's cushioned furniture, clean the cushions. Make sure patio chairs and tables are arranged nicely and look inviting. If you've been following along, comment below and tell me which week is your favorite to tackle. And please share this video with family members who might need help with their holiday cleaning.
5. Week 3. The final polish. 5.1. Living room last-minute touches. We're in the final week now. Your house is almost completely ready. We're just adding the finishing touches. Give your furniture a quick dusting. This removes any dust that's settled over the past 2 weeks. Organize your coffee table. Put clutter away. A clean, organized coffee table sets a calm tone. If you have pets, use a lint roller on your sofas and chairs. Pet hair shows up and you want everything looking fresh. 5.2. Dining room final steps. Set up your centerpiece. This is the moment your dining room comes to life. Whatever you choose, flowers, candles, greenery, make it special. 5.3. Bathroom final touches. Clean your showers and toilets one more time. These are the most used bathrooms now that guests are here or about to arrive. Clean your mirrors until they sparkle. Declutter your countertops. Everything should look minimal and clean. 5.4. Bedrooms get guest ready. Make your guests' beds with fresh sheets if they haven't been used yet. Put out clean towels on the bed or in a basket. This hospitality touch makes guests feel valued. 5.5. Kitchen last-minute details. Wipe down all surfaces. Mop the floor one final time. Everything should shine. 5.6. Outside spaces. Final pass. Wipe down outdoor furniture one more time. Sweep the floors. Put away yard tools, bikes, and anything else that might be lying around.
6. The day before Christmas. Final details. 6.1. Quick morning refresh. Clean your mirrors and countertops one last time. Empty your trash. Declutter those countertops again. Things shift around. Sweep your floors. A quick once-over makes everything feel fresh.
7. Staying motivated throughout the process. Here's something people don't talk about. The mental side of cleaning is just as important as the physical side. You need to stay motivated. Set small daily goals instead of focusing on the whole 3 weeks. Tell yourself, today I'm doing the living room. Tomorrow, I'm tackling the kitchen. Breaking it down keeps you from feeling overwhelmed. Take breaks. Rest when you need to. There's no prize for pushing yourself to exhaustion. Your body will thank you for pacing yourself. Celebrate small wins. Did you finish the living room? That's great. Acknowledge that progress. It keeps you motivated for the next day. Listen to music or podcasts while you clean. Make it enjoyable. Cleaning doesn't have to feel like punishment.
8. Making this system work for your situation. Maybe you have mobility issues. Maybe your back hurts. Maybe you have limited time. This system still works because it's flexible. You can adjust the tasks to match your physical ability. You can focus on the rooms where guests will spend the most time. You can get help from family members or friends. Delegate tasks that are harder for you. If you're hiring help, this checklist becomes invaluable. You can show them exactly what needs to be done and in what order. It makes communication clear and makes sure nothing gets forgotten. Some people prefer tackling rooms completely instead of spreading tasks across weeks. That works too. Use this guide as a framework and adjust it to fit your style.
9. The supplies you'll need. You don't need to buy everything new. Look at what you already have. Most homes already have basic cleaning supplies. You'll need vacuum equipment for carpets and soft furnishings. You'll want some stain remover for treating marks. Vinegar and baking soda handle a lot of cleaning tasks naturally. A good all-purpose cleaner works for most surfaces. For bathrooms, you want a bathroom-specific cleaner and something to handle shower doors if you have them. For kitchens, you'll want degreaser and something for your appliances. Microfiber cloths work better than paper towels. They grab dirt better and don't leave streaks. That's it. You don't need fancy products. Simple, basic supplies handle the whole job. 10. Final thoughts and your next steps. Your home is going to look amazing. Your guests will walk in and feel the care you put into preparation. They'll notice the clean surfaces, the organized spaces, and the fresh atmosphere. The beauty of this system is that you don't have to do it all at once. You don't have to hurt yourself. You don't have to stress. You spread the work across 3 weeks, and suddenly, you're done. Start this week if your target is December 25th. If you want your house ready earlier, just count back 3 weeks from your target date and begin then. Thank you for watching Seniors Cleaning Hacks. If this video helped you, please like it. Subscribe to our channel so you get notified when we post new cleaning tips, and comment below telling me what room in your home needs the most attention. I read every comment and would love to help you. Share this video with anyone who needs to get their home guest ready. Let's help each other have the cleanest, most welcoming homes possible. See you in the next video.